Alright YouTube, welcome to another G Auto repair video. And today we're gonna be ranting a little bit about junk parts. No, not parts from the junkyard, just straight up trash pieces of junk parts that every now and then you get from the local suppliers. And today we're working on this 2013 Hyundai Sonata, and the complaint was AC, not cooling. Well, long story short, I diagnosed the problem as a bad compressor, which is down there, and I advised the customer how to do it the right way. We had to do this, that, the third, blah blah blah. He says no, that's too much, let's just change the compressor. So I'm like, alright, well, since we're doing it that route, one, there's not going to be any warranty of any kind. Two, let's just go ahead and get a rebuild. So I get my rebuild, install it, still not working. Huh, that's weird. And as you can see, this is the original one that I pulled out of the car. And as you can see, I have two four-season rebuilt compressors. Well, what do I have two? Well, because the first one I got, which was I think this one, was defective. It wasn't pumping. So I went, they sent me another one, put it on there, same thing. So I'm over here starting to second guess myself. I'm like, whoa, did I misdiagnose something? What happened? What did I miss? What did I overlook? Everything seemed to be pointing to a bad compressor. So actually, after the first one didn't fix it, I started digging a little deeper. Well, did I miss something? So I went ahead and checked it again, and I activated the flow control valve, which is on the back, directly, manually. I did it. Still no change, nothing. So I said, well, there's a defective compressor. Ordered it, got the second one, same crap. I'm like, how can I have two bad compressors right out of the box, wrapped up and everything? Well, turns out it was two bad compressors. So I went ahead and got a new compressor, installed it. As you can see, there it is. I had to do a little bit of a MacGyver move here because this connector was a little different, but I got it in there. Doesn't look very pretty, but it's working. And after I installed the new compressor, boom, everything started working fine. Satisfied with the pressures. Here it is. The performance of the AC is as it should be, nice and cold in here now. Feels very great. I got the window up, down, so it's not gonna be super low like it should, but 52, not bad with an open window. Once you close it, start circulating that cold air in there, it'll get even cooler. But Four Seasons, you suck. You suck at rebuilding compressors. No doubt. I will never buy another rebuilt compressor ever again. Ever. I think that this is ridiculous. I had to remove and reinstall this compressor 3 times till I finally got it to work. I had to go and get a new compressor in order to fix this problem. So this green whatever, I don't even know what that means, but all I can tell you guys is a piece of junk. Be careful. You're fixing to have a bad day. Very frustrating day. So take that for what it's worth. Well, YouTube, thanks for listening to my rant and rave. Leave comments if you've ran into this situation before, and if any four-season dudes are listening out there, be advised that your rebuild compressors suck. I don't know if it's a coincidence, but 2 in a row, unacceptable. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll be over here enjoying our nice cool AC now. Thanks for watching.